Yeah, hi. In this video, we'll be talking about the basic of Excel. That what are the things we have to actually see whenever we are opening Excel. Okay. So this is the workbook which we are actually looking at. So this is entire the workbook. So let's talk about some of the options. Okay. So on the top of it, you can see this is QAT. This is quick access toolbars which you can use. The previous versions of Excel was not having it, but the version which is coming right now is this is new to Excel. Okay, so this is the QAT of the Excel. Second, you will see these are the tabs earlier, like home, insert, page layout and formulas. ये पहले ना ये these were the menus, toolbar होता था. Then it had been changed to tabs now, which we can see all the options. और यहाँ पे ना ये रिबन होता है. अगर आप इसको डबल क्लिक करोगे एंड यू विल डबल क्लिक इट विल हाइड, एंड व्हेनेवर यू विल डबल क्लिक अगेन इट विल कम बैक. In the same way, you can hide from here too. uh, Suppose show tabs only, so it will come up again. You will just double click over here, it will come back. Okay, so down when we'll come to here, this is the name box. Suppose this actually captures the cell. So we are on the B, and this is the number 2 cell, so it is capturing the B2 cell. So this is actually the name box. On the right hand side, it is the formula bar. Whatever the formula you want to use, you can use it from here. And this actually helps in Excel. Okay, now we can go ahead and see what is this sheet. So this sheet is, just give me a minute. Yeah, this sheet is actually, these are called columns. You can see this A, B, C, D. These are called columns. And ये जो आप 1 2 3 4 देख रहे हो, these are called rows. Whenever you click on B now, it will select all the columns. Any column you want to select, C, D. In the same case 4 5 6, वो जैसे ही आप यहाँ क्लिक करोगे ये सारा सेलेक्ट हो जाएगा. So these are columns and these are rows. Okay, number of sheets, you can use number of sheets over here. If you can see, the sheets are getting increased, and in the same way you can delete too. There is option delete, आप इसको delete भी कर सकते हो. Okay, next, if we talk about at the right hand side in the bottom, if you're able to see, this is the zoom bar. You can like actually zoom and zoom off. Zoom bar is given over here. We can do it to 90%. Again, the right hand side only, the scroll bar horizontal and vertical. So if you will click on this, the sheet will go at the right hand side. In the same way, if you will click on this will sheet go on down. Okay, so these are the major things we actually see in Excel. Other than that, if you can go at the right hand top, over here you can see there are three options: close, maximize and minimize. You can use these options for in order to Excel. Now if you can see, this is the name of the file. Okay, this is not saved yet. If you want, I can go ahead and save it for you on desktop. And you can see over here, I will say the first video. Now the file name is showing as the first video. Okay, now these are the major things which we actually check, and which are normal basics in Excel. Okay, other than that, जितना भी आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज़्यादा ईजी होगा. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट this is the file option over here, and you can see the options over here. New, अगर new sheet चाहिए तो new sheet open. In case you want to open any other sheet. Okay, we'll go back. So these are the major things which we actually see in the Excel, and you can start working with these basics. You get to know what are the things which are actually looking in Excel. As a beginner, you can just see this video and you will be able to get the view of the Excel. Okay, other than that, if you want to see, suppose if you are keeping the cell over here, whatever you want to type you can type over here. Okay, and in case you want to edit it, just press F2 and you will be able to edit. In case you are not able to do it, just double click on this, you will be able to edit the particular cell. Okay, suppose I have to edit this bar, s हटाना है, bar हो गया. Okay, so these are the normal things which are used in Excel, and this is the beginner friendly Excel. You can just use the options over here and you will be able to match it with the things you always do in Excel in office, or maybe in some other firms you are working, or you are working on your own. So do comment in case I have missed anything, or just share and like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.